Welcome to TLE 8 Carpentry Exploratory Course. Our topic, Maintain Tools and Equipment. I'm your mentor, Mr. Hector P. Villareal. Module 17, Maintain Tools and Equipment. Review, true or false. Write true if the statement is correct, false if it is not correct. Number 1, secure inspection report from the requisitioner. Number 2, determining defective instruments is essential. Number 3, inspection the defective tool is done regularly. Number 4, replacing defective tools is important. Number 5, using repair manual as guide in replacing defects is not important. I'm going to give you 1 minute to answer. Timer starts now. Thirty seconds. Time is up. Pencils up. Let's check your answers. Number 1, false. Number 2, true. Number 3, true. Number 4, true. And number 5, false. Objectives. Inspect defective tools and equipment. Perform indicators provided. Perform basic preventive maintenance. Directions. Check the appropriate box whether you perform each indicator. Indicators answerable by yes or no. Number 1, secure the inspection report from the teacher. Number 2, determine defective instruments. Number 3, inspected the defective tools inspected. Number 4, replaced the defective tools. Number 5, used the repair manual as a guide in replacing defects. Okay? If you check yes, very good. If you check no, try again next time. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer from the parentheses and write it on your answer sheet. Secure the inspection blank materials, report, orders from the teacher. The answer is report. Number 2. Determine the blank defective, flawless, needed instruments. The answer is defective. Number 3. Blank, unexamined, expected, overlooked, the defective tools inspected. The correct answer is inspected. Number 4. Blank, replace, disregard, displace the defective tools. The correct answer is replaced. Number 5. Use the blank training, instruction, repair, manual as a guide in replacing defects. The correct answer is repair. If you got it all, very good. Generalization. We have to consider different indicators or steps to follow in order to ensure the maintenance of our tools and equipment. Valuing. It is important to perform basic preventive maintenance for our tools and equipment to sustain its durability and long-term use. Reference: K-12 Basic Education Curriculum Technology and Livelihood Education Learning Module Exploratory Course for Grade 7 and 8.
Hi learners, see you again.
Thank you, learners. See you next meeting.